8 years ago, my family received the worst news we possibly ever could imagine. Our 6-year-old daughter was diagnosed with cancer. When we got the news, we had had our daughter in to get x-rays on her back because her back had been hurting and we weren't sure why, and they had a number of reasons. They finally got the results back. They told us to take her to emergency as soon as we could. We spent the day there and finally met with the oncologists who told us that they think she has cancer and they need to get in to operate to find out exactly what it is. After the diagnosis, when they figured out that it was rhabdomyosarcoma, they told us what the normal treatment is. Unfortunately, she had stage 4, or she was stage 4, which meant, it's quite advanced. So we started treatment with chemo. We had to go into the hospital every month for a week of chemo. 3 chemos at the time, went for 40 straight weeks. In June 2006, after being in remission almost a year, I got a phone call from the doctor after the last set of bone scans and CT scans, and he said it was back. So we met with the doctor and looked at new alternatives, and then we started going back to looking at drug trials. The drug trials we went on really gave us hope for our daughter, and I know it will for other people. And I think they'll find a cure by using drug trials. I was away from work almost 2 years with her and had the best time, and it's because of these drugs kept her feeling healthy and strong and happy. Finally, we got to bring her home from the hospital for the last time. It was actually on my birthday, just over 2 weeks before she did die. We got to keep her in the house and we administered the morphine, and we were with her when she took her last breath. And our doctor told us after Lael died, he'd sent us a letter probably 6 months later just to tell us how helpful it's been, that they've learned so much just from what it did for Lael and what they can do for others.